The MQ-9 Reaper, a name that echoes through the halls of modern military history. Developed by General Atomics Aeronautical Systems, this remotely piloted aircraft, or RPA, has become synonymous with unmanned combat and surveillance. Born from the need for persistent surveillance in the wake of the 9/11 attacks, the Reaper evolved from its predecessor, the MQ-1 Predator. It quickly proved itself as a game-changer on the battlefields of the 21st century. Larger and more capable than the Predator, the Reaper combines lethal firepower with advanced sensor technology. The Reaper's development marked a turning point in military aviation. It ushered in a new era of unmanned warfare, offering unparalleled capabilities in intelligence gathering and precision strikes. The Reaper's impact on the battlefield has been nothing short of revolutionary, fundamentally changing the way wars are fought. Its ability to loiter over targets for extended periods, gather crucial intelligence and deliver precise strikes with minimal collateral damage has made it an indispensable asset for the USAF. The MQ-9 Reaper is a formidable hunter in the sky. It carries a variety of weapons, including AGM-114 Hellfire missiles and GBU-38 Joint Direct Attack Munitions, or JDAMs. These weapons give the Reaper the flexibility to engage a wide range of targets, from individual terrorists to fortified enemy positions. The Hellfire missile, known for its precision and lethality, has become synonymous with drone warfare. Its ability to destroy targets with minimal collateral damage makes it ideal for surgical strikes. The Reaper's combat prowess extends beyond its weaponry. Its advanced targeting systems and real-time data links allow operators to acquire and engage targets with remarkable accuracy. This precision strike capability is crucial in minimizing civilian casualties and collateral damage. The Reaper's ability to loiter over an area for extended periods, sometimes exceeding 24 hours, makes it a persistent threat to enemy forces. This constant presence creates a psychological deterrent, knowing that the eye in the sky is always watching. While the Reaper is a formidable weapon, its role extends far beyond simply delivering ordnance. In fact, a significant portion of its missions are dedicated to intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance, or ISR, equipped with an array of sophisticated sensors including electro-optical/infrared, or EOIR, cameras and synthetic aperture radar, or SR. The Reaper provides a comprehensive view of the battlefield. The EOIR camera provides high-resolution imagery both day and night, allowing operators to track enemy movements and identify targets. Complementing the EOIR camera, the SR can penetrate cloud cover and darkness, providing critical intelligence in all weather conditions. This all-weather capability is essential in challenging environments where traditional surveillance methods would be ineffective. The Reaper's ability to collect and transmit real-time data to ground commanders provides invaluable situational awareness. This real-time intelligence feed allows for quicker and more informed decision-making on the battlefield. Section 4. Advantages of Unmanned Warfare: Safety, Efficiency, and Adaptability. The MQ-9 Reaper offers significant advantages over crewed aircraft. It eliminates the risk to human pilots, crucial in high-threat environments. The Reaper's endurance far surpasses manned aircraft. It provides persistent surveillance and strike capabilities. Its modular design allows quick reconfiguration. Adaptability is essential in modern warfare. Section 5. The Reaper's impact: reshaping modern warfare. The MQ-9 Reaper has undoubtedly left an indelible mark on modern warfare. Its ability to conduct precise strikes with minimal collateral damage has made it a valuable tool in the fight against terrorism. The Reaper's presence has shifted the balance of power in numerous conflicts, providing a decisive advantage to friendly forces. Its persistent surveillance capabilities have proven invaluable in gathering intelligence on enemy activities, disrupting their plans, and preventing attacks. The Reaper's impact extends beyond the battlefield. Its use has sparked debate about the ethics of drone warfare and the implications of remote combat. This debate is crucial in shaping the future of warfare and ensuring that the use of unmanned systems remains within the bounds of international law and ethical considerations. The Reaper's success has also spurred a global arms race, with numerous countries developing or acquiring their own unmanned combat aerial vehicles. The future of the MQ-9 Reaper. The MQ-9 Reaper stands as a testament to the rapid evolution of military technology. Future upgrades will ensure its continued relevance on the battlefield. AI and machine learning will enhance its capabilities. The MQ-9 Reaper remains a game-changer in modern warfare.